Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 3 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 9. So, to solve this, I'm going to first take the power of 1 over 9x on both sides. And the reason I'm doing this is so I can get all the I can just get the numbers on one side and then the variables on the right side. So I'm going to use the property a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n, meaning these two multiply and these two multiply. So x times 1 over 9x, the x just cancels out, so I have 3 to the power of 1 over 9, and as you see, there's no variables on this side. And then on my right hand side, the 9's cancel out, so I have x to the power of 1 over x. Now from here, 1 over 9 is the same thing as 3 over 27. And if I have something, remember, in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So we can rewrite 3 over 27 as 3 to the power of 3 times 1 over 27. And now I'm going to reverse this property and rewrite this as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 27. Now 3 to the power of 3 is 27, so I get 27 to the power of 1 over 27 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. And notice how these two have the same forms, meaning x is 27. So this is my solution to this equation. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 8. So to solve this, I'm going to first start by rewriting 2 to the power of 8 as 2 to the power of 4 times 2. So now if I have something in the form of a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 4 times 2, I'm going to rewrite as 2 squared to the power of 4. So I have x to the power of x is equal to 2 squared to the power of 4. And now 2 squared is equal to 4. So I have x to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 4. And if I have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a is equal to b. So, in this case, I have x to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 4, and this means that x is equal to 4. So going back to check, my original equation was x to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 8. So remember, we got x is equal to 4. This was our solution. So I plug this in, I get 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 8. 4 to the power of 4, that's 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. 2 to the power of 8 is 2 times 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 2. Four times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64, and 64 times 4 is 256. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 6 times 2 is 32, 32 times 2 is 64, 64 times 2 is 128, and 128 times 2 is 256. So these two are equal to each other, meaning our solution is right.